The coronavirus outbreak is getting bigger. Yes, it is getting bigger. Nigeria, the continent's most populous country and biggest economy, sparking fears the contagion could spread quickly, and anxiety blazed across Nigerian social media after authorities reported an Italian man was receiving treatment at a hospital in the commercial capital Lagos. Due to the coronavirus, the man, who is in his 30s and works for a Nigerian concrete company, had traveled northwest this week to a factory in Ogun State before he sought help for a fever, officials said. Now, investigators are tracking down the other passengers who arrived on his Turkish Airlines flight.
We publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great content.
From Milan, the most important work today is contact tracing, said Chikwe Ihegwazu, chief executive of the Nigerian Center for Disease Control, who added that investigators have collected a detailed itinerary of a man's time in Nigeria. Market tumbled Friday as the World Health Organization raised its global risk assessment of the coronavirus, dashing hopes the new virus could be largely contained to China. More than 83,000 cases have been confirmed in 50 countries, officials says, and more than 20,000 people have died, although 36,000 patients have recovered. WHO officials have expressed concern the disease could overwhelm countries across Africa and South America. Our greatest concern is about the potential for spread in countries with weaker health systems, WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom said. 26 African nations have reported suspected coronavirus cases, according to the African Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Countries like Egypt and Algeria have also confirmed cases. Governments have scrambled to boost their preparation, but more specialized medical training and equipment is needed. The Kenya capital, Nairobi, is ready for only a dozen patients in its isolation ward, a health ministry official said Thursday at a news conference, but a larger space is expected to be finished in about a month. Kenya President Uhuru Kenyatta ordered that expansion to be completed within a week. A ban of flights between Kenya and China, the East African nation's biggest trading partner, was reinstated Friday by judges at a high court, who also requested that all 239 passengers who arrived in Nairobi on a flight this week from Gwanzaka be tracked down and put into observation at a Kenyan military facility. Nigerian health officials projected confidence Friday as they sought to soothe fears. Nigeria is the most populous country and Lagos is definitely the most populous city, but we also are the most resourced, said Ihe Kwazo, the Nigerian CDA head. The Italian businessman who first contacted has been placed under observation, authorities said, and those who interacted with him have been instructed to undergo daily temperature checks for 2 weeks. The deputy governor of Lagos State, Obafemi Hamzat, said in a televised interview that Lagos had beds ready for 100 people in an isolation ward in the virus spread. When Ebola swept across West Africa in 2014, ultimately killing more than 11,300 people, Nigeria swiftly contained its outbreak. Only 20 people were diagnosed with virus, 8 of whom died. Officials say lessons from that time shaped the urgent response to the coronavirus threat. The first patient diagnosed with Ebola in Nigeria, who arrived in the country from Liberia, went quickly from the airport, Lagos, to a hospital, which helped limit his contact with the community, unlike the Italian man who came down to Nigeria for business. The Italian man, however, showed no signs of illness when landed, officials says, so he could have exposed more people to the virus during his trip. Tommy Coker, the health commissioner in Ogun State, the manufacturing hub where the patient worked, called on people with a fever or bad cough to contact doctors in the area. As a state, we are prepared, she said, and we will continue to prepare. Watch out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube page for more videos. Bye.
Please click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you.
Charlie TV. Charlie. Oh, yeah.